Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our product title is Rescheduling of Real Power for Congestion Management with integration of pumped storage hydro unit using fire. Let us see about the abstract of our product. Before that, in this implementation, only done given flow and also given result only, because the client requirement of that only, so we did that only, and also corresponding output waveform only here we present. And also in this paper they consider as a reference paper, and also in this objective function only taken and the constraint also taken, but some values are not given in clearly, so we can take that as a general values. So next we see the abstract. Post deregulation era of power system operation produces more pressure and independent system operator to ensure congestion free transmission network without destroying system security. In order to relieve transmission congestion, ISO initiate corrected method by maintaining system reliability and security. This proposed implementation considers a novel efficient technique for congestion management like generator real power rescheduling by integrated a pumped storage hydro unit in the system. This proposed implementation is optimized model for congestion management by incorporating the calculation of two factors like generator sensitivity factor and bus sensitivity factor. Optimal locations of PSHU is identified using the value of PSFs and the number of participated generated for congestion management. By rescheduling, their outputs are determined using the value of GSFs. The impact of the PSHU has to manage transmission congestion, which further reduces the congestion cost and improves security of the system. The proposed method for congestion management considering PSHU is tested on modified IEEE 39 bus New England test system, and the validate is obtained by considering the same problem without the presence of PSHU. The result of proposed work with proper utilization of PSHU illustrate the impact. Next we see the bus diagram of IEEE 39 bus system. So using of this bus data is getting from the general available IEEE bus system. So those data only we consider to develop the program, and it is necessary to maintain the power system security margin with a reliable limit for continuous power supply to the consumers without affecting the system. As thermal limits of transmission lines are fixed, generators have to be rescheduled to minimize the line congestion. It is very difficult to alleviate congestion in electricity market due to the random variation of power transaction. Several methods have been applied in deregulated market to minimize the congestion. The restriction of the electric power industry has involved shift in the real-time control activities of the power grids. The managing dispatch is one of the important control activity in power system. So this kind of power system files IEEE bus systems only taken into the coding. So this data is considered that value, some values, that is a real value, reactive power value, and also that considers the sending end side and receiving end side, and also that having the branches value. So that value only considered to be in the objective function, and also that only consider the constraints. So all values are getting from this kind of IEEE bus system only. So that value is involved to calculate the objective functions. So corresponding waveform only here we will present, and also the overall paper concept is only considered as the reference. So in this paper that what they give, that is available to design, and also that is available to develop in the given bus system only. It is very difficult to congestion in electricity, so the methods have been applied in the given proper manner. Next we see about running process of our product. In this proposed implementation is done in MATLAB environment. In this coding is developed in MATLAB YAM file and using of objective functions and constraints. The constraint is inequality and inequality constraints are used to consider the derive the objective function. So initially the main concept is the congestion management. So in this using of rescheduling the congestion management, so that security is very important to rescheduling of the congestion. So the first one is the BSF value, and next one is the congestion cost, and next one is the bus data. So here we using 39 bus system, so 39 bus system data are given here, and next one is the branch data. Branch data is what is the from bus, what is the to bus. The data is getting from between two connected buses, and also in the command window the values of VI and VJ values are given. So using of that we apply the Firefly algorithm. Firefly algorithm main objective is it's derive the optimize the value getting from the main objective function, then that I reschedule the values which area is optimized, which one is the best value, that all parameters are done in the Firefly algorithm. Then next one is the table formation for rescheduled real power for congestion management at every buses. At every buses, what is the rescheduling for congestion management, that is given in this table. And next one is the rescheduling real power congestion management using a Firefly algorithm. So before at every buses what is the congestion management that given, and second table is given the using a Firefly algorithm what is the congestion management. This is the fitness function for each iteration. What is the fitness function, and also how to the fitness function is reach the constant value that is given in this waveform. So these are the parameters are getting from this implementation. These only we did in this process. Thank you for watching this video.